I came here as part of the Human Rights Internship Program, and my experience in general was that it gave me a chance to see a lot of Palestine and learn a lot about the human rights situation here, as well as talk to some of the locals, some of the experts on the issue. And for the program, I largely taught students English, small groups of students, with the help of local translators and local teachers.
My program here, I was teaching English and learning Arabic in Palestine, volunteering with children here. It was really cool. The children were actually really nice. They knew a lot of English prior to me coming here to teach them. I chose to come to Palestine because my family, half of my family is Palestinian, so I have a little bit of a connection here. I thought it would just be a really cool experience to not only just see the area, but also get educated on the issues here and just the lifestyle and culture.
I stayed here for 3 months, and while I was here, I did a variety of activities. I went to local villages to see the situations there, talked to a local lawyer about the international law, and learn about the history of Palestine. The safety in Palestine is complicated. Some parts of Palestine are not safe. The safety with the Excellence Center has been incredible. I've never personally felt in danger. The city we're located in, Hebron, is quite safe, and the people here at the Excellence Center keep tabs on the situation and make sure nothing happens to us.
I'd say maybe my message to people outside is to just come here knowing that people are going to treat you as if you're family, as if everybody is already friends with you. Everybody is going to want to talk to you. They're going to want to be social. They're going to want to learn about you. And I think you should maybe reciprocate and try to be super friendly, try to learn about them, do as best as you can to just treat everybody like they're your family here.